Hello, this is Trevor Lewis, and this is a quick video from the Voyager Middle School STEAM Lab. Today what I'm going to talk about is a tip for using Microsoft Whiteboard. There's some longer videos about how to use Microsoft Whiteboard that I have, but this is just a real quick tip about something in particular that I found difficult to understand. To launch the full whiteboard on a Windows computer, you can just click on the Windows Ink workspace on the taskbar and choose Whiteboard. I've got a whiteboard open here already. I've got all my tools down here at the bottom, you can see, and I'm in active pen mode because I do have, if you see, I have a Surface Pen. Not everyone opted for the Surface Pen, but the way that the whiteboard works is, if I choose a pen, I can write, and usually I don't do it like this, but I'm leaving it up so you can see my picture and you can see how I'm doing it. I usually turn off my camera when I'm using the whiteboard, and I put my surface down flat, and I write down flat because it's easier to write. But I can write a test thing here, but that was using my pen. If I switch and I use my finger, I don't actually write. I move the whiteboard around, and I can pinch to zoom and zoom in and zoom out. And that's actually kind of really convenient to switch back and forth like that, but not everybody's got a stylus, and my students certainly don't have a stylus. So what I couldn't figure out for the longest time was how to switch so I could write with my finger. And so here's how you do it. In the full version, you're going to come up here and you can see I have active pen turned on. But if I turn active pen off, the thing that was confusing for me was I still can't write with my finger. And it's because this little icon, it's down here, that is switched to inking mode, and I didn't realize. So when you click that, you can see you get your tools back, and then I should be able to write with my finger. Oh, sorry, Outlook is having problems. So then I can write with my finger, and then I click the check mark when I'm done, and then I can move back around using my fingers. So it's a way to switch in and out of inking mode.